In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Constant Contact account the right way. First, make sure you're signed in. Open your browser, go to Constant Contact, and log into your account using your usual credentials. For security, do this on a private, trusted device, and if you use multi-factor authentication, have it ready so you can move through the process without interruptions. Once you're in, head to your settings. Look for your profile icon or your account name, typically at the top right. From that menu, choose Account Settings or Billing Settings. Both paths lead you to the area where your subscription and payment details live. Before you cancel, take a moment to review your active plan. Check the plan name, billing frequency, next renewal date, and any add-ons. This quick review helps you understand whether cancellation takes effect immediately or at the end of the current period, and whether any charges are still pending. If it helps, capture a quick screenshot so you have a snapshot of what was active right before you make changes. Now, find the option to cancel, close, or delete the account. The exact wording can vary, but you're looking for the control that permanently stops your subscription. Some pages also show a pause or downgrade option. Read those carefully so you choose the action you actually want. Select Cancel, Close, or Delete and proceed. Follow the confirmation steps carefully. You may be asked to verify your choice, select a reason, or acknowledge what will be lost after cancellation, such as access to campaigns, reporting, or stored content. Read each prompt on screen so there are no surprises. If the page mentions an effective date, make sure it matches your expectations before you finalize. Complete the confirmations until you see a final success message indicating the account is canceled or scheduled to close. Finally, save your proof. Constant Contact typically displays an on-screen confirmation and also sends a confirmation email. Keep that message for your records by saving it as a PDF or storing a screenshot. If you don't see an email within a few minutes, check your spam or promotions folder. That's it. You've signed in, navigated to billing, reviewed your plan details, chosen cancel or delete, completed the confirmations, and saved your receipt of cancellation. Thanks for watching, and take your time with each screen so the process is smooth and clear from start to finish.